What is up guys, and welcome to a brand new video of Absolute Digital. In this video I will show you how you can delete all your YouTube videos at once. So let's start this video by launching a browser. But before moving forward, you have to remember that you cannot do this from the YouTube and the YouTube Studio app. You have to open the YouTube Studio on a browser. Now go to studio.youtube.com and then sign in to your YouTube account. This is your channel dashboard. Now tap on the three bars on top left corner and then tap on content and you will see all of your videos here. Now let me zoom in a little bit. You have to mark this box and all of your videos will be selected. Now you have to tap on more actions and then tap on delete forever. Now mark the checkbox and then tap on delete forever. And all of your videos will be deleted and it will take a few moments. And that is how you can delete all your videos at once. So if you find this video helpful, then do drop a like and make sure to subscribe for more tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.